Today, I am reviewing Sonos Era 100 Compact Smart Speaker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a smart speaker that combines style, portability, and superior sound quality, the Sonos Era 100 deserves a close look. This speaker offers more than just music. It delivers an immersive audio experience with intelligent features that make it stand out in its class. Let's start with sound quality. Sonos has built the Era 100 with a dual tweeter design and a 25% larger midwoofer compared to its predecessors, producing crisp, detailed stereo sound and deeper bass. Whether you're listening to delicate acoustic tracks, cinematic soundscapes, or bass-heavy beats, the Era 100 delivers a balanced sound profile that feels natural and engaging. Dolby Digital Stereo enhances the experience further, making it ideal for both music and home theater setups. Setup and usability are where Sonos excels. Out of the box, the Era 100 is simple to set up. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and use the Sonos app to get started. The app guides you through the process and includes Trueplay tuning technology, which analyzes the acoustics of your room and optimizes the EQ automatically. This means your music will sound great no matter where the speaker is placed, whether on a bookshelf, desk, kitchen counter, or nightstand. Connectivity options are another strong suit. The Era 100 supports Wi-Fi streaming, Bluetooth, and even USB connections, making it versatile for any device. Pairing is quick, and you can even connect a turntable or other audio sources using the Sonos line-in adapter. This flexibility means it works with almost any device in your home. A major highlight of the Sonos Era 100 is its smart functionality. Alexa is built in, enabling voice control for music playback, volume adjustments, and even controlling other smart home devices. You can also pair two Era 100 speakers for a true stereo experience, creating a richer and more immersive soundstage. For convenience, the Era 100 is compact and stylish, measuring just over 7 inches tall and weighing about 4.5 pounds. Despite its small footprint, it delivers a surprisingly powerful output of 10 watts, enough to fill small to medium rooms with clear, detailed sound. The minimalist black design makes it a perfect addition to any home decor. Battery life and portability are worth mentioning. While the Era 100 is designed primarily for stationary use, its compact design and wireless capabilities make it easy to move around within your home. This flexibility, combined with Sonos' intuitive controls, makes it ideal for casual listening, parties, or enhancing your home theater. The Era 100 isn't just about music. It's about convenience, style, and smart functionality. Whether you're streaming your favorite playlists, enjoying a podcast, or enhancing your TV audio, this speaker delivers a premium experience. It's perfect for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful wireless speaker with smart features. In short, the Sonos Era 100 offers premium audio performance, effortless connectivity, and smart features in a compact package. For music lovers, smart home enthusiasts, and anyone who values quality sound, this speaker is a strong choice in today's competitive wireless speaker market.